did that. So today we're going to the beach to Manly and we're currently on a ferry. Today we're currently going to Manly. This ferry has like 2 levels, right? So everyone else is up there. And then I just came down to go onto the bottom deck because it's so hot up there. It's so sunny today. We're gonna run down the What are you doing?
Camera girl. Welcome back. Hello.
It's Tommy. So here's the opera house. And here's the harbour bridge. And here's Maria. So Ray said he's gonna buy me a beach house. He will.
Am I that attractive? Stop like
Yes you are.
me.
I love your face.
I like it too.
You can't see it, but there's a helicopter. There's a helicopter right there.
Just sniping out of the air with the water, guys. Hey, chicken. Oh, look how strong. Not because it's like, it's a basic already. Dog life. Guys, it's just a quick hijack. We're going to get a great feature out of this one. Say hi, Sam. Cameraman. I think it's so expensive. Look at it. It looks so cool. I keep on having a house. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the architecture. Imagine how we feel like we have a house by this house. Of course, you have to be rich.
Dreams do come true, guys.
Oh,
Maybe one day.
Right.
Maybe one day. And they're all sitting down here because there's much more shade. It's so hot up there. It's so hot. We're here now. Just went swimming and we had some food and I was so distracted I didn't even vlog it, but we'll do it now. Emily!
Emily! Oh yeah, good Charles, yeah. Charles is coming up.
It's a really sunny day today, but the water's really cold. So it's like, I'm hot, but I'm also cold at the same time, and it's very frustrating. Okay, so now this is turning into a bloody prank. I just like dug a hole, put a towel over it.
Yeah, make a hole here. So you think the hole is here, but it's actually right across.
They're so bad.
Oh my god, this is so good!
Okay, so Charles is coming. They made that one. That one's the prank one, and then they did like more on the side, like small ones to pretend it's not there, but like it's so obvious.
Hooray!
He's so that was very disappointing. Oh god. Okay, so that was a complete fail. Never again. Are you going for a swim?
Yeah.
I'm so tired. I'm not going for a swim anymore. It's too cold inside. It's too cold.
Wait, so like, you actually...
How do you feel?
Guys,
How do you feel? Cynthia. drug because honestly it makes me crazy and addicted.
Well, check out my GoPro and I'm gonna vlog. Vlog.
You creep me really well.
We got some gelato.
It's just eating. This boring chocolate gelato. So today we went swimming.
I nearly died.
How?
Got hit by a wave.
Okay, tell me a funny story. Okay, so Ray lost his glasses while he was swimming because he was stupid enough to go into the ocean with glasses. Okay, so right now we're back on the ferry going home. We're so tired and exhausted.
I'm so tired. Maria.
Oh, is it starting?
Yeah.
Okay, give me a second. One
Maria.
second. Okay. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. What do we say?
Thanks for watching.
And it's wait, what do we so you say thanks for watching and then I say Emily's vlog
And then we're just like, subscribe.
Okay, we got this. Don't forget to like the vlog. Yeah. Okay, we'll say that after. Okay.
Thanks for watching.
Emily's vlog. Subscribe. Thumbs up,
Like it.
because it's a good video.
It's a good vlog, you know.
Please don't put this on YouTube.
No, never mind.